Welcome to the channel, The Money Plans. Here, what are we discussing will be very interesting and will fascinate you all. The intent of this channel is to create awareness specific to financial freedom, financial literacy, and also look at how we can leverage the given time without much tension and with a lot of ease. We should be able to make good money. But before we start into this journey, what is more important here is there are various myths that we come across when we talk about investments. We will go and demystify all these myths as we progress. But to start with, let's commit to ourselves that we will give ourselves daily a financial workout dose for at least 5 minutes. If you commit to yourself. It is a commitment for ensuring that we do not fall prey, we do not fall into a situation where we are into a trap, and how wisely we can use our funds effectively so that we grow. So, this channel essentially talks about financial awareness literacy, and we propagate the thought of investing early. This actually in investing early is a great concept. This will avert a lot of misery. So start investing early, investing in your relationship, investing anything, because investing is not just related to your finances. It has got to do more than finance, than investments. It has got to do with your relationship, it has got to do with your mindset, it has got to do with various other environment that you are into. So invest in that. I seek commitment from you all. As we progress, we will learn, we will nurture, and we will participate. So with that, I am launching this first video of mine, which will take you to a new paradigm shift. What is the money plans all about? My name is Madan Pandey, and I have been consulting in financial sectors for the past 20 years. I will see you soon.